Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, as you can see, just finished and serving this with some white rice. We're going to make a beautiful chicken and eggplant curry. Nothing to it, really easy, doesn't take that long. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. By the way, the list of all the ingredients will be below in the text. Eggplant or aubergine. I've got maybe half a decent sized eggplant, cut it into nice small pieces, 1 onion sliced, some fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, 1 chicken breast, not a massive chicken breast, but you know, big enough for what we're doing today, 1 decent sized tomato, try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, fresh chili, up to you how much you put in, some dried red chili and a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and then here what I always call the big 4, which you probably know by now, equal parts, like a nice teaspoon of cumin, coriander, chili and turmeric. We're going to start this off with some oil, we're going to add some salt, that's about it. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, super easy. I've got some oil in there, I'm using a sunflower oil, we're getting that hot, and as always we're going to drop in our whole seeds. Today we're using cumin seeds and fresh chili. Think about other things if you want. You can put some cloves in there, bay leaves, cinnamon, green cardamom, black cardamom, up to you. I'm just using these 2 today. Now let them do their thing in that oil just for a few seconds. They'll infuse it and give it a great flavour. Okay, next up we're going to drop in our onion. And I'll be back in 2 to 3 minutes. We're on quite a lively heat. Okay, could not be easier, this one. Next up, let's drop in our garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We're going to add in our chicken breast, no skin, no bone, and our eggplant at the same time. We're now going to go staying on this lively heat for about 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Fantastic. Okay, really easy now. We're going to drop in that fresh tomato. Like I say, try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato. In goes our fresh chili. In goes some salt. And then there goes our powders. Let's just take one more look. Equal parts of turmeric, chili, coriander and cumin. If you want, use a curry powder mix that you already have. Give us a little mix in there. A little bit of cold water. One more mix. What we're going to do is we're going to get the lid on this and we're going to walk away for 5 to 6 minutes. I'm just going to turn the heat down just a little bit, so it's very much on the medium now. Go make yourself a cup of tea or coffee. No need to touch it. See you in about 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid, and you've got yourself a fantastic curry. Well done, everyone. Look at that. Really, really nice eggplant and chicken curry. Check that for salt. If you want, you could add a little bit of garam masala powder. I'm going with a little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. That's your lot. How easy was that? Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a little thumbs up. Give us a comment. Say hello. We always like to hear from you. Lots of love.